Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Nerdwallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. Just log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button and then using your login credentials. Once you log in, you will see this page on your screen. Now, once you're on this page, just hover over to the My Nerdwallet section at the top right corner, and then underneath Account, click on Settings. This will then take you into the Settings page. Now, from the Settings page, just scroll down, and at the very end, you will find a red option which says Close My Account. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to close your account. Just click on Yes, Close My Account, and then you might be asked to confirm your identity by entering your password. Just go ahead and type in your password, and then confirm once again by clicking on the button, and then your account on Nerdwallet will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your Nerdwallet account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.